Okay, so I'm bored and it's like rainy outside. You're laughing at me. Anyway, so I figure I'm.
And we have power tools.
You're right. I do have power tools. Anyway, so I figure I'm going to go ahead and take the TV down and see what we can do to relocate it. Because every time you come and go from the room, you kind of have to duck under it and smash yourself in the head and other shit. Samson, what are you doing? Get in here. There. Okay. So anyway, it's a good cure for boredom, I guess.
May want to turn the TV off.
Huh?
May want to turn the TV off.
I was trying to disconnect the thing first. Okay. Off button's there, I think. Yeah, there's the off button. Alright, I'm just going to unplug the gadget gizmo from there. Fuck it. Alright. Oh shit. There's a lot of screws in this.
I see a light from a drill.
Is there a way to take said TV off? Ooh, hey. That's a possibility. What's this thing do? What about you? Yes. Ha! Man beats machine. Sort of. Okay. You.
The hell is that?
Huh?
Is that a cable?
Yeah. Oh, there's all sorts of wires running through here.
What's with the little door thing?
I'm guessing that was so they could feed the cables through. Not 100% sure yet. Okay.
So that's why the box is there.
Yep, there used to be a regular TV here.
Well, I understand that. I'm saying it goes way back.
Too far back. Don't really need to go that far back. Alright, so there's my screws. Power's pulled. This thing I don't even think we need anymore. Ready for me to demolish the cabinet? Like these freaking DeWalt tools you made me buy.
Huh?
Said I really like these DeWalt tools you made me buy.
At first I thought you said I don't like.
What?
Yeah.
I'll be right back. I need a screwdriver.
Having fun yet?
Yep,
Okay.
I actually am.
Are you?
Yeah, this is kind of cool.
There's
You know those shows like How It's Made and shit?
Yeah.
I'm learning how it's made.
So now we know what the cabinet in the closet it is. It is.
Yep, it's furring for this.
Yep.
Wait. Yeah. It is.
I have the best job ever. Now there's a big hole in my wall.
Not for long.
So the person before us was just too lazy to take the cabinet off.
Not necessarily lazy. They may not have been able to figure out how to make it work.
It makes a huge difference.
We'll see.
Huh?
We shall see.
What?
If I can get the TV to mount now. More power tools.
In the bedroom.
Yes.
Why wouldn't you take that outside?
Huh? Why wouldn't I take... Wait, hang on here.
What are you cutting?
The ceiling.
The ceiling?
Sort of. See this trim strip right here?
Yeah.
This is what's in my way.
Oh. I figured you were cutting See, and I'd have done it the other way.
What do you mean?
I would have cut that.
You need that full square to hold the TV.
Okay. Women, you just put a hole in the wall.
Huh? No, I just gouged the wall.
Oh, yeah, okay.
The wall is inconsequential. Are we not covering walls?
Yeah.
Then why are you complaining? Are you just trying to give me shit?
I don't know. I just would do things differently, I guess. There's a sawzall by my feet.
Oh, hey, there's feet there.
There were feet there. I moved them. Thank
Always
you.
make sure that your landing area for your sawzall is clear, huh?
We should have taken a before and after picture.
I think I have a picture.
Okay.
Somewhere. Alright, I had screws that I took out of there.
Samson ate them.
Seriously?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
The only way this works is if it's actually a tilted down TV. Because of the slope of the ceiling.
You can't fix it once it's in there?
I'm gonna try now.
But I mean, tilted down kind of works because we are down here.
And I can get into the box if I need to.
Yeehaw. And he's done. Wah, wah.